Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this oil pump taken off. So I need to disconnect the pickup tube. They look like little 8mm, so we'll get them taken off real quick.
That's why I shut the thing off. You know what? Shut it. It did. The first year I won the championship. After years, so 2 years. What year was that? 98.
Those anal perfectionists I know, like just everything has to be a certain way. You have to drive a car a certain way, warm it up a certain way, go to the bathroom a certain way, wake up a certain way. Everything's got to be the right way, right? And I raced with Kyle for a long time, and I know that
Alright, so here it is. We'll throw it on the bench and we'll get this back cover taken off.
I think he broke your stock or something. It's snowing, didn't he? What was that like?
It was fun. It was fun.
Alright, so we got our boundary pump gears. There's different models of this pump gear. They have a 3-valve pump, depending on which pump you have. So if you have a 3-valve pump housing, you need a 3-valve pump gear. If you have a 4-valve housing, you need a 4-valve pump gear. Just make sure you get the right one, because there is different ones that'll fit into these pumps. They're different thicknesses, I believe is the difference on them. So let's go ahead and open this up. Comes with your dyno sheet specs and different measurements on it, along with the sticker. And you open it up, there's your gears. So let's go ahead and throw this to the side. And there's your gears. So let's go ahead and get this cut open. Here's the gears. Nice and heavy duty. Billet steel. So let's go ahead and get them tossed in here. Just like that. And you throw the other rotor in there, just like so. Perfect. All right. And here is a steel backing plate from Accufab. Nice unit. Make sure it's nice and clean. We're gonna pack this pump full of grease to help it prime. So let me grab some grease and we'll be right back. Alright guys, got it packed with Vaseline, petroleum grease. So this will allow it to get suction a lot faster than just sitting there trying to crank it. So we'll go ahead and throw this cover on. All right, gentlemen, we got the backing plate on there and torqued down, and the pump spins nice and free. So we are ready to throw this back on the engine. So let's go ahead and bring it over there and slap it back on. All right, I'm gonna torque these down to 105 inch-pounds. Not foot-pounds, inch-pounds. Don't get them mixed up, because you'll be snapping bolts if you do. The spec is 6 to 9 foot-pounds, so you convert that over, and you know, right in the middle, it's about 105 foot-pounds. So let's go ahead and get these. Get these tightened down. Grab an 8. Alright, took that last one down and then we'll move on. Alright guys, you can see the difference in the chain. This is the factory chain on the left, Accufab chain on the right. I mean, look at the bars, the difference in the bar size. It's like twice the size. The link collar outside here is quite significantly bigger. And it's quite a bit heavier. Super heavy duty. So very nice chain, very nice chain. So let's go ahead and get it thrown on here. All right, fellas, if you're gonna be drag racing your mod motor and be using a two-step, take your tensioner and remove this ratcheting paw. Just put it in the vise, squeeze the piston down together, and then you can reach in there and push back that paw right there, and then you can pull this out. It'll be facing this way with the teeth facing that other part inside there. You push that back and you can turn it and pull it right out. You want to grind the bottom 4 or 5 teeth off. And what that's going to do is it'll allow it to relax that chain when you're on a two-step and it's banging up and down, up and down, up and down. What can happen is this when it's off the two-step, this ratchet can be pushed out and put a ton of tension on that chain, way more than you want. And then it'll stay there because it can't return because the ratchet is out. Let's see if I can get the focus. So if you grind them bottom 4 teeth, you can still go out, but then it can go back in when it needs to. So just grind them down with a Dremel or whatever. That's all you need to do. Then you just put it back in there and it's good to go.